Primetime news tonight. Opposition leader wants more Zozos.
Prime Minister, expand the Zozos immediately.
Jamaicans weigh in on the government's handling of issues at the corruption-plagued Nessol in the RGR Gleaner Group Don Anderson poll. And more countries ground Boeing 737 MAX 8 and 9 aircraft after fatal plane crash. What does this mean for travelers to Jamaica?
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the Jamaican dollar has been gaining against the US dollar in the past few days, but this is creating some instability for local manufacturers. We'll tell you the details in the business day.
And Karen Madden with the latest in sports.
Well, Archie, fears have been realized. It's now official. One of the big names in Western Jamaica football, Reno Football Club, has been relegated from the Red Stripe Premier League. We'll tell you more.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the budget presentation made today by the opposition leader, Dr. Peter Phillips?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.